paint the picture. You are in yet another Zoom meeting, your team is mid-discussion, decisions are flying, and you are trying to focus, but also taking notes, tracking who said what, and hoping you don't miss anything important. But it's just too much on your plate. Sound familiar? Sure it does. We've all been through it. Now imagine a different version of that same meeting. You're focused, fully present, contributing to the conversation because Votars AI is quietly working in the background, recording everything, transcribing every word, and organizing the entire discussion automatically. In this video, I am going to review an advanced assistant, Votars AI, your silent, behind-the-scenes assistant that makes meetings smarter. But it's not just for meetings. Let's say someone sends over a video file with key information, and instead of sitting through the whole thing, you can just drag and drop the video clip into Votars. Within seconds, a full transcript is ready, plus a summary. No more wasted time scrubbing through playback, and if the video is in another language, no problem, it'll translate that as well. Votars supports 74 languages with up to 99.8% transcription accuracy. So yeah, it's not just fast, it's scary good. And here's where it gets really interesting. In today's global workplace, language can be a barrier, but Votars comes equipped with real-time translation. Whether your team spans continents or you're collaborating with international clients, conversations stay fluid and smooth. Votars uses state-of-the-art protection measures to ensure that everything you say, share, and upload stays secure and confident. Outside the work environment, students can use it to transcribe lectures, for example. Educators can use it to support diverse classrooms, and even individuals with hearing impairments may find new ways to stay connected. So let's review Votars. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's dive deep. I'm on the home page of Votars, and let's begin reviewing this product, starting with the start record. There are two options here. Let's use the mic to record a speech and try to translate it into Belarusian, for example. Boom, start recording and transcription. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world full of dreams. So you can see the transcript along with the translation. Is it too simple for you? Let's level it up. I'm going to record a longer text and watch what will happen next. On Mars, under a see-through dome colored orange by dust storms, a small group of people managed to build a life. All right, let's click on save. Now that I have a longer transcript that was perfectly translated into Japanese, I can take this piece of information to the next level. I can convert it into notes. I can generate a document, build a spreadsheet, produce a diagram, or create slides. I can also ask the assistant questions about this information. AI Assist. Here I can ask the assistant questions about this information. I really think that if you record a highly technical conversation or a lecture, this tool might be extremely useful. Let's say you're listening to something related to chemistry and you need clarifications, you could use this assistant. These other two icons are bookmarks and comments. Let's spend a little bit more time testing AI Notes and AI Assist. I'm going to pick my template and generate AI Notes in the selected language. I picked my template and generated AI Notes in the selected language, which is Japanese. Basically, each of the subheadings represents story elements. Here we have environmental description, human activity, and community life, leadership perspective, and so on. The information is presented in a more structured way. Right. So this is what the AI Notes look like in English. Now let's try to build a spreadsheet doc. I'm very curious to see what this actually looks like. And here it is. My story was broken down into items and descriptions coupled with details. Wow, I never thought that a passage in science fiction, in soft sci-fi with speculative realism, could be turned into a logically structured structured piece of data. I can now download this Excel file by clicking on this download button, and I can upload it to Spreadsheets. Here it is. So if you need more visualization to comprehend information, create a diagram for yourself. Look at this. You can view the diagram in the AI notes section, as well as export this data in PNG, SVG, and other formats. Let's save as PNG. And this is what the PNG file looks like. And finally, we can turn this piece of information into slides. Let's move on. The most fun part. I think this part is useful. This function is similar to AI agents that help users navigate across websites. This agent can answer your questions related to the topic. What is this story about? Enter. Why are there two moons mentioned in the story? Boom. Not only does this AI have knowledge of the information in the recorded transcript, but it can also logically put pieces together and explain things that need clarification. As you can see, you can challenge this AI assistant and ask whatever questions you want. Pretty useful, especially if you have an important meeting. Let's return to the dashboard and review the rest of the tools and utilities. Let's translate this web page into Polish. This is my other video called AI that makes endless films. Let's record it. English to Polish, start recording. I'm going to pick my video called AI that makes endless films, 2x.
Sky Reels. And here's what makes it historic. Sky Reels just launched Sky Reels V2, the world's first open source infinite length, yes, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, and then infinite extensions. Professional.
All right, so as you can see, this transcript is quite huge. What's super smart is that Votars even picked out my voice from the others. Take a look. Speaker 1, speaker 3, speaker 2. Votars uses speaker identification to know who's talking and when. That's perfect for interviews or group calls. No more guessing who said what. Very intelligent, and the transcript is saved, and I can now use the same exact tools as I did before. Let's click on AI Assist. What is this video about? Why may I need to use this tool? Boom. So as you can see, if you don't want to watch a lengthy YouTube video, just record it and make Votars AI Assistant answer your questions. Back to the home page. I have a fun feature to test. Record by bot. Let's create a Zoom meeting and invite Votars bot. New meeting. Perfect. I have a Zoom meeting. Let's invite the bot. Copy invite link, paste the link, start recording and transcription. Here I have to admit the bot. Admit. Now the Votars bot joined the call. Approve. And the Votars AI bot is now recording the meeting. Perfect. This is dope. Votars AI bot is recording this meeting right now as I speak and collecting all the information in real time so it can process it later and answer my questions. It's very convenient if you have a Zoom meeting and you need to record your conversation with someone. Just take a look at it. Let's end the meeting. End meeting for all. Everything I just said was recorded by Votars AI. And again, as I did earlier, I can turn this piece of information into a document or ask the AI assistant to analyze it and provide me with a gist. AI assist. What is the gist of this conversation? And this is the answer. Perfect. Love it. The last button is upload file. It's self-explanatory. You can upload a file and make the AI analyze the content similarly to how it analyzes information extracted from real-time speech via the microphone or from video conferences. All files get stored in the files folder on the left sidebar. And here on the left sidebar, you can also spot the calendar feature. So what do I think about Votars? For people who care about information, those who want to keep all notes in one place and never lose info, for those who want to understand others regardless of the language spoken or professional jargon used, this tool is a must-have. Votars AI is surprisingly affordable. The personal plan is just $11.99 a month, and if you use my referral link in the description, you'll get 10% off when you sign up. If you're still not sure, no problem. Just try the free plan and see what it can do for you. Give it a try. You've got nothing to lose. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If so, share your thoughts in the comment section. I'm done for now. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.